Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. ఈ వీడియోలో మీరు B.Sc ఆనర్స్ బయాలజీ స్ట్రీమ్ తీసుకున్నటువంటి వారి కోసం మేజర్ 2 పేపర్ అయినటువంటి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు అప్లైడ్ బయాలజీ నుంచి సెకండ్ యూనిట్ నుంచి DNA అనే టాపిక్ నుంచి ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం నాకు వీలైనన్ని తయారు చేశాను. వాటిని మీరు ఈ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకోబోతున్నారు. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ కేటగిరీ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద 4 నైట్రోజన్ bases found in DNA? Options are adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, adenine, uracil, guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine, uracil, cytosine, adenine, ribose, guanine, cytosine. So the correct answer is the first one is the correct answer. Adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Okay, so let's see the second question. DNA has a double helix structure. What holds the two strands of DNA together? Yes, options are peptide bonds, hydrogen bonds, ionic bonds, covalent bonds. So the correct answer is hydrogen bonds that held the two strands of DNA. So they are formed in between nitrogenous bases. Okay, so let's see the next question. DNA replication is a crucial process in cell division. What enzyme responsible for synthesizing new DNA strands during replication? So the options are RNA polymerase, DNA ligase, DNA polymerase, helicase. Correct answer is DNA polymerase is the correct answer. So next question, the number of base pairs present in each turn of B form of DNA helix. So options are 9, 10, 11, 12. So the correct answer is 10 bases are present for each turn of B form of DNA helix. Let's see the next question. A short length of double-stranded DNA molecule contains 120 adenine, 120 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides in DNA fragment is okay. So here the bases, I mean purines and pyrimidines. So adenine is a purine, cytosine is a pyrimidine. Adenine are present 120 and cytosine bases are also present 120. So question is total number of nucleotides in the DNA fragment are. Okay, options are 60, 120, 240, 480. So here the answer is 480 because according to Chargaff rule, so adenines always equals to thymine and also guanine is always equals to cytosine. అంటే ఎన్ని ఎడినిన్ ఉంటాయో అన్ని థైమిన్ ఉంటాయి, ఎన్ని సైటోసిన్ ఉంటాయో అన్ని గ్వానిన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో టోటల్లీ 120 into 4, that is equal to 480 is the correct answer. Okay, so let's see the next question. The backbone of nucleic acid structure is constructed by. Options are peptide bonds, glycosidic bonds, phosphodiester bonds, all of them. So the correct answer is phosphodiester bonds. Let's see the next question. Chargaff rule for DNA structure states that. Options are there are twice the number of purines to pyrimidines in DNA. The adenine and thymine form double bonds. Guanine, cytosine form triple bonds. The ratio of pyrimidines to purines to pyrimidines is always 1:1 in DNA. So there is no relation between the number of purines and pyrimidines present in DNA. Okay, so the correct answer is the third one, that is the ratio of purines and pyrimidines is always 1:1 in DNA. That is the correct answer. So let's see the next question. Breaking of bonds between which of the following two nucleotide requires highest amount of energy? So ATGCAU all require equal energy to break. So here the correct answer is GC. Why? Because జీకి సికి మధ్యలో 3 హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో దాన్ని బ్రేక్ చేయటం అనేది కష్టం. దట్స్ వై దే రిక్వైర్ మోర్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ టు బ్రేక్ 3 hydrogen bonds. Okay, so GC is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. The two strands of DNA are joined by. So the same question was repeated. Which nitrogen base is not found in DNA? Adenine, guanine, uracil, thymine. Yes, uracil is absent in DNA. Okay, so let's see the next question. Give the scientist names who are credited with the discovery of the structure of DNA. Yes, so answer is, so options are Watson and Crick, Rosalind Franklin, Morris Wilkins, all of the above. So James Watson and Francis Crick is the correct answer. Let's see the next category of questions. They are fill in the blank type questions. So nucleotide is composed of, options are, here you have to fill the blank. Phosphate, sugar plus base. ఆన్సర్స్ కోసం వరీ అవ్వద్దు, లాస్ట్లో ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ మీకు డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాను, అప్పుడు మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో ద ఫండమెంటల్ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ జెనెటిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్, ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ జీన్. DNA controls protein synthesis through the mediation of, answer is RNA. Nucleic acids are the polymers of, option answer is nucleotides. The scientist who observed that there exists a relationship between the contents of purines and pyrimidines in DNA structure. So answer is Erwin Chargaff. Erwin Chargaff. Under physiological condition, the DNA structure is predominantly in the form. Under normal physiological condition actually. So answer is B form. Okay, so let's see the next question. సో 18th క్వశ్చన్ మిస్ చేశాను, ఒకసారి అది చూడండి. ద బేస్ పేర్ జీసీ ఈజ్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ అండ్ స్ట్రాంగర్ దాన్ ఏటీ డ్యూ టు, ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే 3 హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్. అంటే ఏటీ కన్నా కూడా జీసీ అనేవి మోర్ స్టేబుల్. అంటే ఎడినిన్ థైమిన్ మధ్య బాండింగ్ కన్నా కూడా గ్వానిన్ సైటోసిన్ మధ్య బాండింగ్ అనేది స్ట్రాంగ్ స్టేబుల్. ఎందుకు అంటే ఏకి టీకి మధ్యలో డబుల్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా, డబుల్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్. జీకి సికి మధ్యలో ట్రిపుల్ హైడ్రోజన్ బాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి అందువల్ల. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇన్ డిఎన్ఏ ఎడినిన్ pairs with through hydrogen bonding forming the complementary base pairs. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ థైమిన్. ఎడినిన్ దేంతో పేర్ అవుతుంది అంటే థైమిన్ తోటి. సో లెట్స్ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. DNA replication occurs during the dash phase of cell cycle. Yes, the correct answer is S phase of cell cycle, or also called as synthesis phase. So now the next category of questions are there. 1 mark questions, very short answer type questions. How are nucleic acids involved in the storage and transmission of genetic information? Yes, న్యూక్లిక్ యాసిడ్స్ అనేవి జెనెటిక్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని స్టోర్ చేస్తాయి అండ్ ఆల్సో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాయి. ఎలాగా అనేది క్వశ్చన్. సో ద న్యూక్లిక్ యాసిడ్స్ ఫంక్షన్ యాజ్ ద స్టోరేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వయా ద యాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ DNA. DNA is a type of nucleic acid that stores genetic information and it passed from generation to the generation. Okay, so all genetic information is present on DNA. So we get our genetic information from our parents. Okay, half of the genome will come from the father and half from the mother. Okay, next question. Give the difference between purines and pyrimidines. So the purines in DNA are adenine and guanine, the same as in RNA. The pyrimidines in DNA are cytosine and thymine. In RNA, they are cytosine and uracil. Okay. So instead, thymine in the case of RNA, uracil is present. Purines are larger than pyrimidines because they have a two ring structure while pyrimidines only have a single ring. Okay, so let's see the next question. How does DNA replication ensure the accurate transmission of genetic information during cell division? Yes, DNA replication follows a semi conservative model, meaning that each newly synthesized DNA molecule containing one original strand and one newly synthesized strand. So that's why this type of replication is called as semi conservative mode of replication. This ensures that genetic information is preserved and passed on accurately. Okay, so let's see the next question. Explain the concept of DNA transcription and its role in protein synthesis. Yes, DNA transcription is a process of synthesizing RNA from the DNA template. Okay, so this RNA or mRNA that carries genetic instructions in the form of codons. So from that nucleus to the ribosome. From the nucleus to the ribosome, where protein synthesis occurs. Let's see the next category of questions. Matching type of questions are there. You have to match the list 1 with list 2. So list 1 consists phosphodiester bond, N-glycosidic bond, hydrogen bonds, O-glycosidic bonds. So let's see the matching. Phosphodiester bond is the backbone of DNA. N-glycosidic bond present between sugar and base. So hydrogen bonds present between complementary bases of two strands of DNA. O-glycosidic bonds present between sugar and sugar. So the correct answer is the third one. C is the correct answer. Okay. So let's see the second matching. Here also you have to match the list 1 with list 2. DNA. DNA is a double helix. RNA is a single stranded. tRNA showing clover leaf structure. rRNA forms a pseudo helix. Okay, so the correct answer is C. BADC is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next category of questions. There are DNA replication, true or false type. DNA replication is a semi-conservative process, meaning that each new DNA molecule consists of one old strand and one newly synthesized strand. Yes, it is true. Let's see the next question. DNA transcribed into RNA and the process takes place in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. So, yes, it is also true. Let's see the next question. RNA molecules are typically double stranded like DNA. No, it is not true. Let's see the next question. DNA is transcribed into RNA and this process takes place in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. Yes, it is true. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని రివీల్ చేస్తాను. యూ కెన్ టేక్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్. సో ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. మరి నచ్చితే ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.